Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Samiksha and this video is about the audiobooks. I know I have already made 2 videos about audiobooks, how to get audiobooks for free, but I recently find out that there are many books available on Spotify for free, literally for free. So I'm sharing some books that I know they are on Spotify. So I listed down that books and let's start the video. Spotify is like a treasure for book lovers. So if you like to listen to audiobooks, go on Spotify. So the first, I have categorized this as non-fiction and fiction, and in fiction there are many books of young adult genre, and many teenagers like this genre, and I also like this. So there are many books of young adult. Let's start with the non-fiction category. The first book is Rich Dad and Poor Dad. I think everyone should read this book at least once in his life. Even if you are adult or even if you are in your teenage, you will get to know many things about finance in this book. So, first, the second book is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie, and this book is really a gem. I wished I had read this book earlier in my life, like early in teens, but okay, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. To learn about the communication skills, you should read this book. The third book is The 10x Rule. The fourth is The Mind Over Money. The fifth is Drive. These all are non-fiction books, and I'm just listing the books which are available on Spotify. There will be many books, but these are the books that I know that are available on Spotify. So go and check it out. Last book, Siddhartha. Siddhartha book is on the spirituality. So if you are new to spirituality and you want to explore it, so this book is actually for a beginner. And it's very short book, like it is less than 200 pages, so you will also not get bored. And the next, fiction category and young adult genre. So first book is The Kiss Quotient. Kiss Quotient is a romance book that of course everyone like, and the monsoon season is here, so romance is the first thing that come up in your mind. That's what I think. I don't know about you people. But the second book is The Beautiful Loss. The Beautiful Loss is also a nice book, and it gives you a travel vibes. So in this lockdown, when we are stuck in our home, this book should be a must pick. You will feel like you're traveling. The Music of What Happens. So basically this is a Pride month, June, which we celebrate as a Pride month. So the Music of What Happens is the story of two boys who fell in love and so many things. Next book is All We Have Is Now. All We Have Is Now is a book. I haven't read this book. I haven't read many of the book. I'm just listing this, but I'm actually excited about this book because this book talks about these people have only one day, and in next 24 hours the asteroid is going to crash land and they all are going to die. So what will this book is about? That I'm curious. It's just depressing or adventurous, like we only have one day, what will we do on this one day, like that. The main thing which are available on Spotify, like I was literally shocked about this, the Harry Potter series. Literally all the Harry Potter books are available on Spotify for free. Many of people have already seen the movie and they are like, what's in the book? I have already watched the movie, but that's not it. The books are actually very good, and there are many differences in book and movie, so you will enjoy it. Harry Potter. The next series is Hunger Games. Yes, Hunger Games is also available on Spotify, so go and check it out. Okay, the last is Picture Us in the Light. I don't have anything about this book. I only know this book comes under the young adult genre. So yeah, these are actually my TBR list. I am going to read this book. I am going to listen to this book on Spotify. So yeah, that's it for the day. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.